All right, let's talk about the sales reps forgetting to check in after the sale. This is a big problem. Superman saves the day, but once the battle's over, does he forget to check on his allies? No, he checks in, making sure everyone is okay. That's exactly what your reps need to do. Post-sale is where the magic happens. It's where long-term customer relationships are built. Just like Batman checking in after a fight, your reps need to follow up, ensure satisfaction, and offer more value. Reminders and automated systems like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zoho CRM can make sure your reps never miss a step. Keep the communication flowing like Spider-Man's web slinging. But here's the secret weapon, Moksy.ai. With Moksy, you can easily automate follow-ups and create personalized post-sale check-in pages that engage your customers. Stay connected without the hassle.